Hello everyone, my name is Rishi and I will be explaining to each of the words involved in the first lesson and how they are attached in beats or in Carnatic music they are called matre, and how they are attached to bits in computer science. Okay, so the very first one we are doing is ta, dim, dim, na. On its own, this whole word is a matre because it goes ta, dim, dim, na. Each beat has a hold of 4 beats or matre, which is, like I said, is the fundamental beat for Carnatic music. Okay, and then for like the words repeated in the first line, which is ta din din na, ta ta din din na, tarikita din din na. All of those go at the same speed, and speed plays a big role in how the beats are arranged. So ta din din na, ta ta din din na, tarikita din din na. If you notice, they all have the same amount of matre, which is 8 matre. So therefore, they go through as 8 bits. However, we can split those individual words into even smaller ones. So ta din din na can be split into ta din and din na, and as you can tell, they're even halves. So we have 4 matre, which is 8 divided by 2. 4 matre goes for ta din and din na. That then that is why we will say that has a value of 4 bits in the code, or a binary value of 100, 100. And the same thing for din na. And as you notice, din na repeats 3 times in that first line. So just keep that in mind when I say this, or when I say the next part here. Tata din goes the same way. It has 4 matre, therefore 4 bits, and a binary value of 100. Tarikita din has the same properties: 4 matre, 4 bits, and a binary value of 100. And dinna, just to repeat it, has the same properties once again: 4 matre attached to it, so that goes with 4 bits, and a binary value of 100. Now the verse, which is tak tak kita kita taka taka tarikita taka, that is also 8 matre. And we can split that one into 2 parts as well. We can do tak kita kita taka, which is 4 matre. I know it doesn't sound like that, but it goes at the speed the talam goes. It is 4 matre. We can't split it any further because then it would disrupt the talam. But that's not for this. But tak kita kita taka is, therefore that is 4 matre, 4 bits, and a binary value of 100. And then taka tari kita taka, same thing, 4 matre with 4 bits attached to it, as well as a binary value of 100. The last thing I should go over is the singular word tam. Tam is a placeholder, and it comes 3 times in the last line. The first 2 times count as 2 matre. You can never have 1 matre on its own, because that is how the talams work. You can never have 1 matre as on its own. So you have 2 matre attached to each. The first 2 tams in the last line of tak kita kita taka taka tari kita taka tam, tak kita kita taka taka tari kita taka tam, tak kita kita taka taka tari kita taka tam. That's the third one. Okay, but that last one doesn't count because you ran right back on the first beat, which finishes the whole lesson, and that because of that you can't count that as part of the matre count. That's I can explain that in depth in another video, but you need to know about that.